All aboard! Where to next? I can follow the light. Let's...
Hello viewers!
Time for delay.
Today we have a big Thomas. You can see how big it is once I put this diecast next to this big Thomas. And this is an infrared activated Thomas. This is the control, you can see, and it has a light, you can see.
Light the way.
So once you click the light, this is like a remote control.
I'm a really useful engine.
But this one is infrared activated. So here you can see Thomas has two sensor, I believe. So wherever you put this, Thomas is going to follow the light. Wherever you put the light.
I can follow
Okay,
the light.
let's go and have fun outside.
You're a really useful engine driver.
Okay, are you ready?
Yes, I am!
I can follow the light.
Okay, Thomas, here comes Thomas.
Light the way. You're a really useful engine driver.
It's a beautiful windy day and we're playing with Thomas with this chime. Look at our Thomas. Oh, here comes Thomas. Oh, I hope he doesn't fall off.
I'm a...
Oh, sorry.
You're a really useful... Lead the way with your lantern.
So you can see this Thomas has a lot of phrases, and in here you can see how many different ways it will go. Where is our Thomas? Let's go find him. Hey, here is the Thomas. Let's go see Thomas. Where is Thomas? Thomas is all the way up there. Look at this. And you can see the remote control. Alright. Thank you viewers, thank you for watching, and please make sure to subscribe, leave a comment, how did you guys like the video, and please make sure to subscribe. Thank you.